the great tip is Paul Baloche's All the Earth Will Sing Your Praises. Now, it's kind of a simple song for the intro. You're going to start with a capo on the first fret, and we're going to do an E minor. You're going to have your first finger on the A string, 7th fret. You're going to have your third finger on the D string on the 9th fret. And you're going to have your 4th finger on the G string, 9th fret. You're going to mute the low E string. You're going to mute the high B and high E. So. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do that twice. You're going to slide down to the 2nd fret. You're going to do a B holding the same chord. You're going to go up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up. You're going to slide to the 4th fret doing a C sharp minor. And then you're going to do twice. And then you're going to do the same thing with the B. You're going to go up, down, up. Slide down to an A. What you're going to do is take that first finger off and just keep your 3rd and 4th finger to make an A2. It's like an A, just take your finger off the B string. So, you're going to do a finger style. What you're going to do is hit the A string, down to the D string, down to the G string, down to the high E, so that order sounds like this. You're going to go from there to the high B, and after that you're going to do the D to G. So that whole order goes like this. And this has been a Get Tip on Paul Baloche's All the Earth Will Sing Your Praises. Please subscribe and check out more awesome, cool videos, and keep in touch with what's coming out next.